Sum number 10 is one of the difficult sum to do and understand. So I am going to teach this sum. Listen very carefully. The given prove 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 4 theta. The next term is 1 plus secant 8 theta, not 6 theta. It will be 8. 8 2s are 16. It's multiples of 2. Secant 2 theta, 4 theta. Next 1 plus secant 8 theta. After 8 theta, there will be a secant 16 theta goes on. 1 plus secant 2 power, because 2 power n, no, they given the last term is 2 power n, 2 power n. So nothing but this is 2 power 1, 2 square, next 2 cube is nothing but 8, 2 power 4 is nothing but 16, goes on. 2 power n, no, last term is 2 power n theta. So I need to put tan 2 power n theta into cot theta. So LHS I taken, what I am going to write, listen very carefully, 1 plus secant 2 theta, secant 2 theta I am going to write 1 by cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta, close the bracket. So 1 plus 1 by, this is I am going to write cos 4 theta. So same 1 by 1 plus cos 8 theta goes on 1 by 1 plus cos 2 power n into theta. So cross multiply cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by cos 2 theta. I written make a cross multiplication. Cos 2 theta 1 is cos 2 theta plus 1. The same here also cos 4 theta plus 1, cos 4 theta plus 1 divided by cos 4 theta. Next cos 8 theta plus 1 divided by cos 8 theta, this is theta not 80, goes on, cross multiply cos 2 power n theta plus 1 divided by cos 2 power n theta, close the bracket. So next what I am going to do, listen very carefully, very important one. First I am going to teach you a formula. What is the formula? You know, cos 2 theta. The cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1. If a minus 1 comes this side, becomes plus 1. Cos 2 theta plus 1 is nothing but 2 cos square theta is the formula. See, if it is 2 theta, we can write theta half of it. If 2 theta half of 2 theta off, what is 2 theta off? 2 theta off is nothing but theta. The same 2 theta off is nothing but theta. The same I am going to write cos 2 theta plus 1. Cos 2 theta plus 1 I can write as 2 cos square theta. The remaining nothing but cos 2 theta in the denominator into, check it very carefully. Here same cos 2 theta plus 1 is nothing but 2 cos square theta. Here cos 4 theta plus 1, cos 4 theta plus 1. 4 theta, no, half of the 4 theta, something but 2 theta. So cos 4 theta plus 1, half of 4 theta, I want to write as half of the 4 theta I can write as 2 cos square. 4 theta off, nothing but 2 theta, half of the 4 theta by 2. So next, divided by cos 4 theta, write cos 4 theta as it is into this one. Half of 8 theta is nothing but 4 theta. So write how I can write 2 cos square 8 theta off. 8 theta off nothing but 4 theta divided by cos 8 theta. Listen carefully, cos 2 theta plus 1. I am applied formula, this formula. For this one also I apply this formula only. 4 theta off nothing but 2 theta. So 8 theta off nothing but 4 theta. Goes on. The same I need to apply here. Half of this one is something but first write 2 cos square. Here 2 power n of theta, nothing but 2 power n theta by 2. Half, no, 2 power n theta by 2. I can't, this one is half means 4 theta by 2 is nothing but 2 theta. 8 theta by 2 is nothing but 4 theta. This is half of it. 2 power n theta off, I put 2 as it is. Because 2 power n, this 2 I can't cancel because 2 power n, this 2 power n divided by this one I write cos 2 power n theta. You want to write carefully, very very carefully. Otherwise sum will become very very difficult. So listen carefully and cancel the sum. Next one. Here cos 2 theta, here 1 square can cancel. Listen very carefully. So what is the remaining? 2 cos square theta into this 2 is remains same, cos square cos 2 theta cos square theta. There is 1 remaining, right? Cos 2 theta. Next, see, this one cancels first, this one second. This one cancels. They are same. Here and here, cos 4 theta and this one cancel. So 2 into cos 4 theta. The same cos 8 theta, this one will cancel, moves on. This one and this one cancel. This one moves cancel. The same if you are going to see this one, that will be one term here, this will be cancelled. This square will get cancelled. So remaining what will be 2 cos, the square will cancel. 2 power n theta by 2 divided by this one cancel, this one, there is no term here, this one should cancel, but here term is present, there is no term present, so this one will not cancel, remain as it is. So cos 2 power n theta, cos 2 power n theta. So see how difficult the sum is. 2 is present, so I can write 2 power n. How many terms I don't know, so I can write 2 power n. So you see here what is present here, cos square theta. Here if we are going to see here, cos 2 theta is present. This cos square I am going to write as cos theta. I am going to remove cos square theta is cos theta and cos theta, and that is I have removed 2 now, I have removed 2. Now this cos square I am going to write one cos theta and another cos theta, then I am going to write cos 2 theta, then I am going to write cos 4 theta, then what will be cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, goes on like this up to what is present here, 2 power cos 2 power n theta divided by 2 up to this. We will take it one bracket. Still remaining is nothing but I will put here cos 2 power n theta, cos 2 power n theta. So if we are going to see 2 power n cos theta divided by cos 2 power n theta, this is one of the formula in example 3.2. In example 3.32, this is one of the formula. I will write this formula. What is the formula? Is nothing but I will write finally. This is one of the formula. This formula is nothing but into sine 2 power n theta divided by 2 power n sine theta. This is the formula. The formula is nothing but, now I will write here. What is the formula? Nothing but cos A, cos 2A, cos power square, nothing but cos 4A. 2 square is nothing but 4, no. See, cos A, that is cos theta, cos 2A, cos 2 theta. 2 square is nothing but 4. See, 4 theta goes on. What is comes here? See here, cos power 2 power n minus 1 A. N minus 1, if this 2 goes above, becomes n minus 1. Same only. So answer is going to be sine 2 power n A divided by 2 power n into sine A. This is given in example 3.32. In spite of A, I have written theta. That's all. So listen carefully. 2 power n cancel. Next, see, sine 2 power n theta, cos 2 power theta. I can write as tan 2 power n theta. Next, cos theta and sin theta, which becomes cot theta. This is our RHS. Hence proved. Very difficult sum to show you. If you doesn't know this formula, you can't able to do this sum. From here only we are picking this formula and we are writing. So this formula you want to know. Otherwise we can't able to do this sum. This is given example 3.32. This is one of the proveness only. This also we need to prove. Using this proof, I am taking this and writing as one of the formula and writing here. If you are going to check this is this, if you are going to see cos 2 power n theta divided by 2. If this 2 moves upward, becomes cos 2 power n theta, 2 power minus 1, no. 2 power n, 2 power minus 1, 2 power n minus 1 theta. This we can write. The same here also, 2 power n minus 1. In spite of theta, that is A. So this is very, very difficult sum, but the important sum in exam point of view. Study this sum properly.